Is your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC lagging, freezing, or constantly showing annoying pop-ups? If your computer is infected, a basic antivirus scan would not cut it. You need a deep clean. I will show you the complete step-by-step process to safely delete all viruses and malware using 100% free tools. Let's get started. Go to search. In search, type disk cleanup, right click on disk cleanup and click on run as administrator. Select system drive and click on OK. Select all options in disk cleanup and it will free up a significant amount of storage and it will also free up the virus and junk files. Now click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files and C drive is cleaning up now. Next step, delete system temporary files. Right click on start menu, click on run. In run type temp and click on OK and then click on continue. Press Ctrl A to select all and then press Shift Delete to permanently delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on yes. Now close File Explorer. Now delete user temporary files. Right click on start menu, click on run. In run type %temp %. Press Ctrl A to select all and Shift Delete to permanently delete all files and click on yes. Close File Explorer. Next step, right click on start menu, click on run. In run type MRT and click on OK. Then click on yes. Microsoft built-in malware removable tool is opened. This tool will scan and automatically remove virus and malwares. Click on next and here you will find quick scan, full scan and customized scan. I am selecting full scan. It will scan the entire system and then click on next and the scanning is started and it will take a little long time. You have to complete the processes. Go to your browser, in search, type malware bytes. Now hit enter. This is the malware bytes official website. Click on this link, free download and device scan. Get a free virus scan and clean up your device. Now click on download now. Download started and finished. Now you need to install this utility. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Close File Explorer. Close the browser. Now click on install and select personal. Click on next. You can install browser guard or you can skip installing browser guard, but it's not recommended. I'm skipping this step. Installation started. Installation succeeded. You can open malware byte from here or you will find desktop shortcut icon. You can open malware bytes from this icon. Now click on scan now. Checking for updates, scanning memory, scanning startup items and scanning file systems. Scanning finish. Now click on view scan report and you will find the infected files here. If you find malware detect any files that are necessary, you can deselect those files. These two files are necessary for my computer. So I am deselecting this one and I want to send all other malware files to quarantine. Click on quarantine items and then click on ignore ones. Threats are in quarantine. In this way, you can remove all viruses from your Windows 11 computer.